All right, 24/7 Sports here with Timmy Jernigan of Lake City, Columbia. Just got done with a 23-20 victory over Robert E. Lee here in Jacksonville tonight. Big district win, Timmy. Tell me about your game. 5 sacks. Tell me, how were you able to get to the quarterback so consistently?
I kind of knew what they was doing. I knew that I had them beat because I was faster. I was bigger, I was stronger, so I knew that the only way they can win the battle is to try to cut block me. You know, we go over and practice every day. I'm used to it. You know what I mean? So I knew they was going to try to cut me. I mean, I work on that. I've been working on it since. You know, my dad taught me how to do that when I was 9 years old, so I knew I had to come off the ball low with a flat back, post up, swinging off the ball. You know, can't let them get to my knees, so I had to get off the ball first. And if they beat me, then I had to work technique and get around them. So I kind of knew what they was doing, and I studied, you know, the plays, you know, Coach, we do a lot of film study. I knew what they was doing with the ball, you know, and that really helped me a lot.
Yeah, you guys are 4-0 now in the season. You got a young team. You've kind of had to step up and be a real leader for this bunch. A lot of people didn't think you might be in this position right now. Just tell me about how great it feels, how gratifying it feels to be 4-0 right now.
Simple as Jesus, man. You know, can't do it without him. You know, I know he's looking over us right now. We're a humble team. We're young. You know, we're playing actually without 4 starters and 1 potential starter. One tore his ACL. One had off the field problems. Another one sprung his ankle in practice. You know, just different stuff that's been, you know, Ben, he got hurt, you know, in the first quarter. You know, so we real young, man. Those guys, we hungry right now. You know what I mean? That's the difference in between, you know, being good and great. You know, you got to be hungry. You got to want it.
Tell me real quick, just touch on recruiting real fast. You got top 5 or 6 schools up at the top there. Just name them for me real fast. Who's on top?
Alabama, Florida State, Alabama, Florida State, LSU, and Michigan. You know, those are my top 5. They really no order right now. You know, when everything first started, Florida and Florida State, you know, they jumped out there ahead of everybody. You know, because I came up watching them the most. But right now it's kind of even because, you know, you got to make it's a business decision almost. Then you got to do what's best for you. So, you know, I understand that right now.
So you grew up watching those teams, and you're kind of taking a step back now and just evaluating all the programs, what they have to offer.
Not really. You know, I've really been focusing on here. You know, I'm trying to get this ring, man. Ain't nothing I want more than that for everybody down, man. You know, nobody thought we would be in this position except for us. That's the way I feel. You know what I mean? So once I handle, you know, my business, they got to be here at Columbia. You know, then I'm gonna focus a lot on that after the season.
Tell me about. I know you have some visits planned for the coming weeks. Tell me about some of the games you plan on hitting up in the future.
I know I might go. I'm gonna go catch USC and Oregon. I'm gonna go watch Alabama and Florida play. I know I might go and catch the Kentucky game in Florida tomorrow.
Okay.
I know I'm not really sure. It really depends on how I feel tomorrow. So I might. Those are the ones I know that's, you know, in concrete right now.
I imagine you'll be at Florida State at the end of the year too. Right?
Yeah. Oh man, I mean, you don't even have to mention that one. You know I'll be there.
Let's talk about the real quick finish up here. Talk about the Gators and the Seminoles real fast. What you like about those 2 programs? I know Coach Hagan, Odell Hagan from Florida State was here tonight, checking you out in person.
Me and Coach O, we got a real close-knit relationship. You know what I mean? He found me when I was young. You know, Coach Fisher, I like him. He's a real down-to-earth dude. You know, I'm real close to some of the Florida State players there. You know, in Florida, I just like the atmosphere down there, man. You know, when you step in Gainesville, you know, you just feel the atmosphere, man. Ain't nothing winning down there, so that's what I like about it.
You got a pretty good relationship with Coach McCarney, too, right?
Oh, yeah. Coach Matt, you know, that's my guy. You know, I like Coach Meyer, too. You know, we're real close, too.
All right.